Want to have a smooth renovation journey? Visit Home Trust today. Home Trust is Singapore's top interior designer platform that offers advice and feedback on design firms. Home Trust has helped over 20,000 homeowners shortlist their ideal interior designers for their renovation projects. Find thousands of interior design ideas and genuine reviews on interior designers in Singapore with Home Trust today. Simply click on Get Recommendations and complete a few simple questions. Home Trust will matchmake you with 3 to 5 shortlisted designers company. Visit hometrust.sg now. Welcome back. So today is our next video update. Now the cornices has been removed, but it became a nightmare after we have removed the cornices, and now we have this water pipe running through the living area, so we might need to do something to cover up this pipe. So in the master bathroom, we have completed the waterproofing. Actually, we have requested them to increase the height of the waterproofing so that it is really waterproof. Now we are seeing some cracks around the new doors opening. I believe there are some works to be done to cover up all these cracks, and also the finishing are quite raw now, so there will be another layer of coating in front of this surface. And now we are seeing the new entrance to our master bedroom. So this is a new doorway open up from the kitchen side, which will be in the future the new dining area. So we are seeing the cement screeding has been completed. So after we left the waterproofing to cure for 1 to 2 days, the next step we are ready for the tilings to come in to do the tiling work. So this is how it looks like now. So before the installation of the new aircon, we actually requested for this site survey to be done. I think this is very important that the ID and the owner itself need to be present to discuss with the installer on where and how the aircon to be installed and how the pipes are to be run across the rooms. And this I personally felt that is very important, not only the visual effect, and also the long-term maintenance of your aircon so that it won't have any choking or any issues on the air condition. So this is the tiler. We can see he's accurately checking on the leveling of the tiles to ensure that the tiles are properly cut and installed. Now we are seeing the master bathroom has been partially tiled up, and once this is done, we will then proceed with the box up of the pipes. Finally, the sanitary will be then installed. So these are the updates that we have this week. So stay tuned for more updates on our renovation work in the upcoming videos. See you. Bye.